Hello there, Constantú, Ben from Bite Size Irish here. Today let's take a bite-sized look at how to say puppy in Irish and some dog-related terminology. So, first of all, the Irish word for puppy is gaeilge. Gaeilge. And again, gaeilge. The Irish word for dog is madra. Madra. And again, madra. Now, I speak the Munster dialect of Irish. We're saying madra. There's what's called an epenthetic vowel in there, where M-A-D-R-A between the D and the or, though there's another little In other dialects, that word is pronounced differently. So first of all, in Connacht, it's pronounced mada. Mada. And again, mada. And up north in Ulster, it's pronounced madu. Madu. And again, madu. So Munster, madara. Connacht, mada. And Ulster, madu. Okay, so if we wanted to say the dog had puppies, that would be bhí gaeilge ag an madra. Bhí gaeilge ag an madra. And again, bhí gaeilge ag an madra. Now, a couple of other words for dog. We have gaeilge is another word. Gaeilge. Gaeilge. And we have, for the word hound, we have coo. Coo. And again, coo. So you may recognize that word, coo, from the name of a mythical Irish hero, Cuchulainn. So when Cuchulainn was a youth, his name originally was Setanta, and he killed the guard dog of a smith named Cullen. And so he killed Cullen's guard dog. He offered to take that dog's role until a replacement dog was reared. So Cuchulainn. So that brings us to guard dog, and the Irish for guard dog is cúchosanta. Cúchosanta. And again, cúchosanta. Similar to a guard dog is a watchdog, and the Irish for watchdog is madra faide. Madra faide. And again, madra faide. The Irish word for bark is toffin. 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 So if we wanted to say the dog was barking, we would say bhí an madra ag toffin. Bhí an madra ag toffin. Bhí an madra ag toffin. We'll finish today with a little expression related to dogs. I don't know if it's quite a seanachal, but it's a phrase, and it goes like this: Ná bíoch the láimh I míl an bhadra gut. So that means don't have your hand in the dog's mouth. And the message is don't draw trouble on yourself. Don't do something that obviously isn't going to work out well for you. So, ná bíoch the láimh I míl an bhadra gut. Ná bíoch the láimh I míl an bhadra gut. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed today's little lesson. From me, Ben, until the next time, slán go fóill. Bye for now.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.